I'm Elena Wilson. I'm on the Sports Science Accelerated degree at UA92. For me, it was mostly the fact that I wanted to do it in 2 years. Obviously, the 3-year degree finished in April, and I just wanted to get it out of the way, and I thought it would be quite good because I was always sort of planning on doing postgrad study. So a postgrad plus an accelerated degree is basically the length of a normal degree. I started in January mainly because I started a degree in September, decided that it wasn't really for me, and UA92 was actually the only option for what I wanted to study in Manchester that was started in January. So had I gone anywhere else, I would have had to basically waste a whole year and start in September. I'm originally from Spain, actually, so I went to university in Spain. I did all my education in Spain, but my family is English, and I've got family members that worked at university, and they had heard of UA92 as sort of an emerging university that had quite a good reputation because it was accredited by Lancaster. I actually really like it more when it's the accelerated courses because the cohorts are generally smaller. You get more contact with your tutors. As well, I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting there to be quite a higher workload in the accelerated course. I don't actually feel like that. I feel like the accelerated workload, you finish in July, it's quite manageable. You still get a break. So I don't actually feel like I'm being overworked on the accelerated course. So it sort of feels like what university is supposed to feel like. Plus, when campus is a bit more quiet, you get a bit more contact with tutors and stuff. You have to be, even though it's a degree where you've got a lot of practical experience and it's small cohorts, you still do have to work hard. You will get a lot out of the degree course because the lecturers are here to support you and they are genuinely interested in getting you to a better place as a practitioner, but on the same way, you also need to put in the effort. So there are a lot of opportunities that UA92 could give you, like placements and presentation opportunities, but you also need to be actively engaged in it. I would absolutely recommend the accelerated degree over the 3-year degree if it's something that you can manage with your timeline. Obviously, the 3-year degree gives you a bit of time between to get work experience if that's what you need. But I honestly think you can do work experience and the accelerated degree at the same time. And it is a very good value.